guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna make a dessert, that is mango serradura pudding, also known as sawdust pudding. This is the most simple and delicious pudding with least ingredients. So the ingredients are first of all, take on the Mary biscuit, gonna crush it in a mixer. And this crushed biscuit I transferred into a bowl. And also I've crushed some nuts. This is a mixture of almonds and cashew nuts. Going to add into the bowl and keeping aside. Now take on the mango, gonna cut like this. Look at this, how beautiful the mango is. These mango pieces, I'm gonna put it in the mixture again, and that's the mango puree ready. To this mango puree, I'm adding in some condensed milk, and that's going to mix. And again some fresh cream going in. Now next step is to make some whipping cream. I have one whipped cream sachet of 36 grams. To this, I've added some milk and vanilla essence and gonna beat it until soft peaks begin to form. Now the final step, we need to assemble it. I've taken the glass, adding in a spoonful of biscuits and nuts mixture, and make sure to cover it with all the sides and corners. Then the cream adding in. Then adding in the mango puree. Again adding a layer of biscuit and nuts mixture. Then mango puree and whipping cream. And on the top I would like to add biscuit nuts mixture, and its beauty, it's amazing. And I've garnished it with some mango pieces and some dry rose flowers. And finally our mango serradura is ready. Hope you all enjoy this recipe, and thanks for watching.